Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a evening in my life slash summer night routine video. I'm kind of hesitant to call this a routine because I feel like I do something different almost every single night. But I still, on my down nights, there's my alarm in case I took a nap today. Even on like my chill days, I still do try and keep a routine. It is actually 7 on the dot. If you heard that alarm, I do have kind of a habit on some summer days of taking a nap. I'm doing stuff all day long. Sometimes I'll nap from like 5 to 7, and that's why I have that alarm preset on my phone. I'm actually awake, and my plan for this evening is actually going to be taking Cleo first to her pet kennel. I'm going to Yasu tomorrow and I'm really excited about it, but obviously Cleo can't come, so she's going to go to her babysitters for a couple of days. And then this evening I'm going to pack, I'm going to do my nightly like exercise and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm excited to bring you guys along. Before we get up and going, I wanted to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, which is Skillshare. If you guys don't know, Skillshare is an online learning community that has thousands of online classes for people that are trying to channel their inner creative juices or just learn something new. Their class topics range from topics such as design, illustration, photography, productivity, health and fitness. Their community is very, very interactive, so you will have the opportunity to talk to other people that are taking the same classes, and they have classes for all different types of levels, so it doesn't matter if you are beginner, advanced, intermediate, they will have something just for you. One of the things I love using Skillshare for is their productivity classes. Now, I don't want to be somebody that over promotes being productive because I don't think that's healthy at all, but what I do think is really cool is turning on some kind of productive, inspiring class while I'm just doing something simple like housework or folding laundry. And I'm currently enrolled in Thomas Frank's Real Productivity, How to Build Habits That Last class, and I will definitely be turning this on later this evening. So if you want to give this a go, the first 1,000 of you guys that click the link in my description will get a 2-month free trial of premium membership so you can explore your creativity today. Alright, before I take Cleo to her pet sitters, I just realized I'm posting a video tonight and I don't have the thumbnail made, so I'm going to do that really quick. And then to actually take Cleo to her sitters, I think I'm just going to take a taxi. Usually I take subway, but then I have to take taxi after the subway because it's so far away. But I'm just trying to save time tonight, so I think we're just going to taxi it. This is literally all I need when I take her to her sitters. Come on, let's go. Come on. Go to the door. Come on. Good girl. Let's go. 괜찮아요. 감사합니다. 네. 네, 알겠습니다. My taxi just called me and told me he is 5 minutes away. One of the things I love about Korea is they're always so quick. If you call a taxi and they're more than like 5 minutes away, they always call you and they're like, hey, I'm hurrying, I'm sorry. But okay, I just dropped Cleo off. Her kennel is kind of out yonder. It's pretty far, so what I have to do is I have to take a taxi to the subway and then take the subway home. That's kind of like how far it is. So I am just chilling. I'm waiting for the taxi to get here. I really like the area they live in because it's so quiet. There's a lot of palm trees and it just feels so good out right now. So I'm just going to wait for my taxi and then I will see you back at the cribbo. Alright, I'm back home now. It always feels so weird when I come in after dropping Chloe off because there's no one here to greet me and my house just feels very quiet. But it is actually fairly late now. It's already 9 o'clock and I'm gonna make myself a little dinner. I try to actually eat it around 7, but just because of the way things went today, I don't have time to eat until now. And then after I eat, I'm going to do like my nightly walk. I usually do it with Cleo, but she's not here. I still really do want to do it though, just because it helps me stay in routine and I love the feeling of exercising before bed. So let's go ahead and make our dinner. I'm just gonna do like a kimchi sausage kind of stir fry together, and then on the side I'm gonna have bean paste stew with some bok choy. I know that sounds kind of like a lot, but trust me, it's really simple. I'm gonna show you guys right now how exactly I make that. First, I'm just gonna get some oil going in my pan. I usually just cook with coconut oil. And while that is heating up, I'm just going to cut up a little bit of sausage. Dinner is served. It looks delicious. I love having soup with something on the side. So here we have sausage, kimchi stir fried, and then the bean paste soup with bok choy. Let's do a little taste test for the vlog. Yummy. Alright, before I go out, there is one thing I want to do. It is clean up my whole apartment. I just want to show you the current state. These stairs, I swear, I use them for storage. Like, I just put stuff on my stairs. And it's not too bad over here, but then over here I just have some clothes laying around. So yeah, I'm going to get all that cleaned up. I'm also probably gonna just like mop my floors. I love when I travel, I love to come home to a clean apartment, so that's why I'm doing that right now. But also in general, I love to just go to sleep with a clean apartment. And while I do that, I'm just gonna turn on some YouTube videos. Always makes the time go by faster.
Actually suffered during it and are still ignorant. Okay, could use this as like a content opportunity to do like a real quarantine day in your life with you actually having it. And I was like, oh, that's a great idea.
Alright, outside, enjoying my walk. And I know I say this in so many of my videos, but I really do encourage you guys to walk, whether it's in the morning or at night. Put podcasts, put Skillshare, put music, your favorite music, put a YouTube video in, and just clear your head. But make sure whatever you're like listening to is actually something that is good for your head and not some like drama feeding YouTube video or something that's gonna make you feel like anxious, you know? Feels amazing out right now. It does feel weird though not to have my dog. Anyways, right now I'm heading to Busan Citizen Park. It's about 10 minutes from my house, 10-minute walk. And I'm just gonna kind of walk around that area. I like it because there's not a ton of people, but I still feel like very safe there, you know what I mean? It's very well lit up and it's a beautiful area. So I've definitely came to this park before in a video, but it was during the daytime. But there's like this huge courtyard. Kids like to play down here. I always come down here and like try and tan my legs. And then this path just goes on and on and on for like 20 minutes probably. And then Busan Citizen Park is up and over there. Going to head back home now. It is already, you guys, 11:30. But look how pretty. So many trees and so much greenery. I love it. All right, I'm back home and now it is time to pack. Fun fact about me, I love going places, but the actual act of packing, I hate, just because I hate making choices. And there's a small chance that I might be going from Yeosu to Seoul. I'm still not sure if I need to be in Seoul on Friday or not. I haven't heard back from the company. So yeah, I kind of do need to like pack as if I'm going for more than 2 days somewhere, because if I end up going to Seoul, then I'm gonna obviously need more clothes and different outfits. But anyways, here is the suitcase that I think I'm gonna bring. Originally I was gonna bring a tote, and then my friend that I'm going with tomorrow, she was like, I'm gonna bring a suitcase. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna bring a suitcase too. Which is so annoying that we're literally bringing suitcases to go somewhere for one night. But oh well. Anyways, I'm going to pack, but I'm actually going to include the footage of me packing in my travel vlog. So I'm going to get that right now. See you guys after. All right, I'm calling it quits on the packing because everything else is stuff that I'm gonna have to use tomorrow. So I might as well just wait to pack the rest of it tomorrow morning. I got all my clothes packed though, but I just have some room spray chilling here. I need to do my skincare. I'm a little bit bummed because my friend, she gave me this new like soap cleansing bar, because as you guys know, I'm on the hunt for a good cleanser, and I think it broke me out because I got like 2 like pimples down here, and I really have not gotten pimples down here in like 2 months. So I'm going to give these guys some TLC. I think I'm just gonna do, like, I'm gonna take my makeup off, I'm going to wash my face and everything, I'm gonna do a mask, and then I'm gonna put some pimple patches on them when I go to bed, and hopefully that shall do the trick. But I'm gonna go ahead and close the video off here because that is basically my night. I got everything kind of finished that I needed to do. I wonder if Cleo is having fun on her little vacation yet. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and as always, just thank you so much for all of your constant support. I was reading, because I uploaded a video today, I was reading all the comments, and you guys are just so freaking sweet. Like, no question about it. I feel like I have like the sweetest and kindest subscribers, so thank you guys so much. I'm trying to get my hair up in a bun. Also, I know I play with my hair a lot in my videos. I'm sorry guys. It bothers me too whenever I'm editing. I'm like, girl, what are you doing? I'm honestly really curious, what is something that you guys do every night, or you try to do every night whenever you have time in the summer? I am always looking for like new things to incorporate into my routine, and I'm also just really curious about you guys' lives in general. So definitely let me know down in the comments, what is something you do at night in the summer? If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It does help me out a lot, and be sure to check me out on Instagram. As I said, I will be vlogging my entire Yeosu trip, so be sure to stay on the lookout for those vlogs. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.